Okay. Yeah, Alina.
Yes.
Yes, Alina. Do you think success is more about showing up or being perfect? Do you think success is more about showing up or being perfect?
Okay.
Yes, Alina.
Okay, so hi everyone, I'm Alina. Okay, so showing up for me, I'll take up a situation that happened to me. Okay, so after 12th, I joined for my NEET coaching, which is actually 2 years. Okay, so my parents like before 12th, I used to study really hard. So my parents were like, she studies all the time, she can be a doctor. So that's how I ended up in NEET coaching. Okay, and then during the NEET coaching, it was really, difficult because it was really stressful. And in between the NEET coaching, I realized NEET is not really my thing. Okay, and it was difficult to tell my parents because they spend all this money to put me into NEET coaching, and then suddenly out of nowhere, I'm like, I don't want NEET. They'll definitely kill me, right? So between NEET coaching, I told my brother, I told my parents, I took the courage. I told them I need to change my field. I wrote up exams. I was scared because I was also not sure what my path was, and I wrote up exams and I ended up in IT field. And right now I'm very happy because that is what I wanted. That was my interest. So, and slowly as I showed up, as I moved closer to my interest, I took step by step. I did, each and every small thing I could do to earn something what I want in this IT field. By this way, I am moving to success, right? Because I have manifested something and I want to achieve this, and I'm moving something, taking step by step, I'm moving closer to it, which means I am moving to success. That's how I believe success has to be earned, because you take one step at a time and you see if you're happy at that outcome of that step, and you take the next step. It goes like that, right? So so I was in my IT field. I took and success is something, it's not something like it does. If you planned a goal, and it doesn't have to be perfect, but if you're happy that the goal has happened, you did something that you're happy, means you are successful. Okay? Because all matters is if you're happy with what you aim for, and if you can reach to that happiness, then you have done a few steps to be successful. You have done what you want to do, and that's it. Thank you so much for giving me that.